Welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Jordan Classen on local food systems and the importance of buying local. And now Jordan is back with a recipe to share. Taryn is joining us now with more.
Yes, glad to have Jordan here today. And this is a special recipe. This is from your Grandpa Ed?
Yes, my Grandpa Ed in Nebraska City. This is his stew recipe, and I'm super excited to share it with you today.
And he's watching today, I
Yes,
understand.
yes, hi.
Did he come up with this on his own?
Yes, he does, and he serves it to everybody he knows, and it's so delicious. So I'm trying to learn how to make it as good as him.
All right, well, thank you for sharing this today, Grandpa Ed. So how do we begin?
Yeah, so we'll start with pouring the onion in the bottom of your crock pot, and then you'll put some broth on top, so vegetable and beef broth. Then we add in our cubed up chuck roast, excuse me.
Okay.
And then once we get that all added in, then it's kind of a dump and go, and you just start adding your vegetables. So we'll do our potatoes, then we'll do our corn.
Okay.
And peas and carrots.
Get this all prepared. Wouldn't this be great if this was all done for us?
Right. And then green beans, and then we pour on top our tomatoes.
Do you need to stir this first, or does it matter?
It doesn't matter.
So I guess you're putting it in the crock pot. Okay.
Tomatoes, and then seasonings.
Okay.
And then once you're all done, you'll just let it sit in that crock pot on low for at least 8 hours, and that will cook up the meat, and also you'll have enough juices by then to start stirring your crock pot, and it is delicious.
Okay, let's talk about the seasoning. What is the special seasoning you put in?
So we have celery salt, sweet basil, and garlic salt, about a teaspoon of each, or to taste as you like it.
Okay, and we're looking at the ingredients right now. If you want to copy these down, I know this could be kind of quick to jot all this down. It is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page right now, and so you can copy it down. Give it a try. This would be perfect for this time of year. Do you eat this a lot?
Yes, it's just a good comfort food.
Okay, I need to give it a try here.
Yep.
Boy, you gave me a big bowl.
Yeah.
This could be my meal for the day. Okay. Mmm. The meat is really tender.
Yes, it's very tender, and it has a great flavor to it, and it also gives you your vegetables for the day.
All right. I bet Grandpa Ed's really proud.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to save this for my lunch.
Yep.
Jordan, thank you.
Of course.